Welcome back to Pharmacy News. Joining me now is Mark Sargent. Now, Mark, is this your first APP?
No.
You've been back a few times.
I have.
But you've got some interesting things to share with us today. Can you tell me a little bit about ASMI? There's
a number of key areas, I guess, for us. We're growing very fast, and we're growing sustained growth over the last few years, which is a really positive and challenging pharmacy environment, as we know. So I guess our challenge is how do we continue that and foster continued long-term growth opportunity, so whilst we're experiencing great growth now, it's how do we maintain and grow that for the future. And there's a couple of areas in that around switch, a more progressive switch agenda, and in tandem with that, S3 advertising approval would probably be two of the key messages that we think can drive longer term growth.
Can we touch a little bit on the controversy surrounding retail sales of baby formula, in particular it being exported overseas?
I'm happy to give you some comments on China, and one comment I guess I'd mention is ASMI doesn't actually represent infant formula. But I can comment a bit on China and a bit on the market, because we are also seeing it in nutritional supplements as well, that we're seeing the demand from Chinese consumers. We're seeing the demand from a number of different areas, and the challenge is you can't really, it's not something that up to now we're really able to control. I mean, it's manufacturers have struggled to keep supply, and it is a challenge as to how do we keep supply for the local consumers who are absolutely critical in our long-term sustainability, and I think all the manufacturers are fully aware of that. But at the same time, it's very difficult to control the distribution network, and it's not like we're saying Chinese consumers, you get this, and local get this. It's been a really difficult challenge. But I think one of the things that manufacturers have been doing is working hard to increase our capacity so we can effectively supply both the local and the export consumer.
Mark Sargent, thank you so much for your time. Enjoy APP 2016 and the Las Vegas party that will ensue on Saturday night.
Thank you.
Take care. We'll be back with more pharmacy news shortly.